This is section 6.4, comparison shopping. On question number 1, we have explain why comparing prices may save you money. The answers may vary here, but an accurate answer could be that you can always compare the price per unit in order to choose the best deal. The more information you have about a product in different stores, the better choice you can make in order to save money. In this unit, we are going to use the same formula that we did on section 6.3, which is unit price equals the price per item over the measure or count. So in our concept check on problem number 1, we have coffee creamer comes in 2 sizes. A 22-ounce jar that costs $2.95 and a 16-ounce jar that costs $2.19. Now what we want is to find the better buy. How are we going to do that? Again, comparing the prices. So on step number 1, we need to find the unit price for each item. We are using our formula of unit price equals price per item divided or over measure or count. So for our 22-ounce jar, we have that it costs $2.95, and that specific size of creamer jar is at 22 ounces. So if I go to my calculator, I have 2.95 divided by 22. Then I have the result of 0.134. I'm only going to work with the first 3 decimals. If we remember what we saw in our previous section, when we have a number, right, if we want to round it, we need to check what's the next number, right? So for 1, if I have 1 on the 10th, the next number is a 3. That's less than 5, so I keep that 3. Now if I see the next number, it's a 4. So that number is still less than 5. So what happens there? I don't have to round it. I can only work with 0.13. So I am going to round this and write 0.13. Now when I work with my second jar, the 16-ounce jar costs $2.19, and in this case it's only a 6-ounce jar. I do the same process in the calculator. Now I have 2.19 divided by 16. That gives me a result of 0.136. Remember, we're just working with the first 3 decimals. In this case, the number next to 1 is 3. So that means that I cannot round up to the next number. But the number next to our 3, it's a 6. That 6 is greater than 5. That means that my 3, I can round it up to the next number, which would be 14. Why am I doing this? Because the results are very similar and I need to find a difference. Okay, so it is easier for me to just round to the nearest 100th this time. So I go ahead and write 0.14. Now on step 2, I have find the best buy. I need now to compare to see which is the best buy. So the best buy will always be when I can pay less for a product. For example, in this case, the 22 ounces cost me actually less per ounce than the 16 ounce. So my answer here is the best buy is the 22 ounce jar. Now go ahead, go to your textbook, look for section 6.4 to do your homework, and complete the problems 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 12.